In the ancient quarries of Aswan lies a colossal monument that was never completed, the unfinished obelisk. Had it been completed, it would have been the largest obelisk ever erected, standing over 120 feet tall and weighing nearly 1,200 tons. Carved directly from the bedrock, the unfinished obelisk offers a rare glimpse into the engineering techniques of the ancient Egyptians. The chisel marks left on its surface provide valuable information about the tools and methods used by workers over 3,500 years ago. One of the most fascinating aspects of the unfinished obelisk is the mystery of why it was abandoned. A large crack appeared in the granite during its extraction, forcing the workers to leave it in place. This crack, however, has become a key piece of evidence for archaeologists, offering insights into the challenges and risks faced by ancient stonecutters. Obelisks were not just architectural marvels, they were also powerful symbols of the sun god Ra. Erecting one was a statement of divine power, and the effort required to transport and raise these massive stone pillars remains one of the greatest engineering feats of the ancient world. Had the unfinished obelisk been completed, it would have dwarfed all others, serving as a testament to the ambitions of its creators. The fact that it lies abandoned gives us a unique window into the process of obelisk creation, a process that combined both artistic skill and extraordinary engineering prowess. Today, the unfinished obelisk remains where it was left thousands of years ago, a silent witness to the ingenuity, ambition, and sometimes the failures of ancient Egyptian craftsmanship. It stands as a reminder that even the greatest civilizations faced challenges that sometimes proved insurmountable.